Hi, my name is Amelia Auberry, and once again, I am a volunteer for Indiana Phenology. In this video, we will talk about how to register your site on the Nature's Notebook website. We will also focus on your observation deck, how to add a new site, and how to add and sort plants. Firstly, go to naturesnotebook.org. You enter your username and the email address and the password from when you signed up for an account. Click Log In. After you log in, your site will take you to your observation deck. Or you will now see a gray or orange button in the upper right-hand corner that says My Observation Deck. Click that to open your observation deck. This is your observation deck. On this page, you can register your sites, make and view your observations, and access helpful resources. Scroll down so you can see everything under the observation section. Under the section Sites, select My Sites from the drop-down box. There are two types of sites. There are group sites and your own personal sites. Personal sites are sites you create yourself where you will be the only person making observations. Group sites are places where more than one person observes the same individual plants. You may choose to observe at your own sites only, or at group sites, or at a combination of the two. Everyone's observation deck will look a little bit different based on what and where they observe. Click on the link that says Add a new personal site under the Sites section to add a new site. To create your site, choose a name for your site. Then either move the pin on the Google map or enter the site's address into the address box to set its location. Scroll down. Further down the page, you can then answer a series of questions about the conditions at your site in the drop-down boxes. When you're finished, click the Create Site button. Once you create your site, you will be taken back to your observation deck. The site you just created will now be listed in the Site box. Now you can add plants or animals to that site. Start from your observation deck again. Click on the site by finding it under the box, Sites. Select your site by clicking on the name of your site. It will become dark gray. Then move your mouse to the next box to the right, entitled My Plants and Animals. You can click on either the Add or Edit Plants link or on the Add or Edit Animals link, depending on what organism you would like to add. When you click on the Add or Edit Plants link, it will bring you to this page. To add your first new plant, just type in the common or scientific name of the plant into the box next to the words plant species. Then choose a plant from the search results that are given. For plants, you will give each individual that you wish to observe a unique nickname. For my site, for each plant's nickname, I put the name of the species and the location at which I can find them in my yard. For example, I have a tulip tree that is located in my front yard that I call Tulip Tree Front Yard. Click on the box next to the word nickname and type in whatever name you would like. For your second plant and all other plants, first click Add New Plant in the top left and the site will refresh its page. Then once again, start typing in the box next to the words plant species. As you can see, I typed in common sunflower and clicked on its name and picture when it popped up in the plant species bar. When you choose a plant, the site will automatically fill in the scientific name in the plant species box. Now answer the questions that you are able to from the list. It's okay to not answer them and to leave it as unknown. Then click on the button Save This Plant to save that plant. You can add multiple plants to your site and multiple individuals of the same species by clicking Add New Plant and going through the same process. If you wish to delete a plant, on that same page, click on the plant you want to delete from the list of your plants in the left box. Then move your mouse to the Delete checkbox below and click on that. Once you check off that box, it will bring you to this page where you can click the circle that applies to your reason for deleting the plant. You then scroll down and click on the button Delete, which will delete your plant. As you are observing, it's helpful to have the plants listed in the order that you will be observing. To sort your plants, start in the observation deck and use the link under My Plants and Animals again, but this time you click on Sort Plants and Animals. Then this screen comes up. First you select the species, then you can use the first, up, down, and last buttons to change the order of your plants. Here you can see that by clicking the first button, I moved the individual plant named Red Pine 1 Front Yard to the top of the list because it's the first plant I want to observe when making observations. Press the button Submit at the bottom of the page when you have finished sorting your plants. And that is how you set up your site.